we've heard a lot about, your why big bands can come to India, can't come to India. We had made a video about this on our page where a lot of people kind of recognize the sentiment. They were also somewhere very interested in this whole thing. So I think while I have you here, this is a very, very good question to ask you about the understanding that we have right now. Set the context is we want our favorite big bands to come. The video that we made covered why that could be unfeasible certain times.
Yes.
Because what we know is that the rate that these bands are charging is the same across anywhere on the globe for their performance.
Of course.
Maybe the currency issue in India is playing into it, which makes it. Because that must affect the entire supply chain to the point where you have to sell alcohol to make the money back,
to sell water
to make the money back, and to do all of these things to break even and make the show feasible, right? So talk to us about.
See, I think first part of any artist coming to India, is the intent of that artist.
Right.
Okay. There are first is intent. The artist wants to go to India or not. Maybe in the future also. मतलब इंडिया आपके प्लान में है कि नहीं, आपको जाना है, आपका मन है कि नहीं. That is the first and foremost thing.
Really, that it's not going to be to, I don't know, to maybe like a commercial thing. Or
commercial will come later on. But first is intent. Right? For example, they might have their biggest streaming from India, but they still don't want to go to India.
Oh.
Maybe अरे तो bands मतलब there are bands who don't tour outside of US, bro. Like they tour only in the US. मतलब बाहर जाना ही नहीं है उनको. They don't like traveling maybe. They don't like touring maybe.
US में sorted भी होता है scene.
Correct. बस लेके like they do, and so for them domestic touring means US or UK or Europe.
Right.
So international touring means Japan, Australia, India, Asia, Middle East. That is international touring for them.
Okay. Got it.
So अगर किसी band का there is no intent only, they will not come. जितना भी आप पैसा दे दो, पैसा like nobody will throw like endless money for a say System of a Down. But वो आएगा भी नहीं.
Intent नहीं है.
Intent ही नहीं. Unless their plan change. Now see, it can change anytime. Okay. So ठीक है, let's explore. For example, their management takes a decision. Let's explore international touring.
Right.
Let's go to Australia. First thing is Australia, Japan, because their economies are there. The market is matured. Right. So then. Second comes, okay, then if we are going to Australia, why don't we add, say, Middle East or India? Or it can be the other way. We have a brilliant offer from Middle East. Let's say if we can add other markets.
Got it.
The management will tell the agents.
Right.
Agents will start scouting. If agents already, obviously, most of the agents already have their promoter partners. They will just holler, the band wants to come to the Japan, Southeast Asia, or the band would like to have some offers from you. Then you make the offer and go to the next level.
Got it.
Right? Obviously now again, when say I get a lot of emails, right, from agents for smaller bands right now, not the A-listers, but still there is inquiries that we are coming to the that side of the world. Would you be interested? And many bands they don't have following in India. Right now. So that is another point now. That is the most important point. ठीक है, अभी intent है band का, but will that band or artist work in India or not? And we also get a sense of what their offer level would be like, because you see what level of venues they are playing in the UK or in Europe or in US. Home state में कितना billing मिल रहा है festival में, कौन सा line में है?
That's what they are looking at, no?
No, that we also look at.
Acha, you guys also. That's deep homework.
Yeah, I mean, we see what level of venues they're selling, how much they're selling, are they selling out? And बाहर में तो Ticketmaster, if you go, there's charts, no? You can see कितना sale हो रहा है.
Yeah, I don't know how much is that always accurate or.
No, it's accurate. No, some venues have seat based, right? So it will be like 70, and I can see the average ticket
the capacity
price.
And this,
So if I can make out what the bands are grossing each night in their domestic touring, मतलब अपने home ground में per night कितना वो बना रहा है gross. Then I can make my idea with my formula. I have my formulas.
Nice.
How much they're getting paid each night.
Secret recipe. Amarjeet ki secret recipe.
No, this is like, common homework, basic homework. How much they're making each night there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, uske hisab se, if I think ki, okay, chalo 2000 now this is my expertise or our expertise. After looking at all the charts and everything, okay, this band will sell 2,000 tickets in India, in Bangalore, say.
Okay.
And other cities 1,500, 1,500. So total kitna ho gaya? 5,000 they'll sell in India.
Mhm.
How much should be my offer to them?
Right.
And if it's in the level of what they're making per night, say,
Yeah.
gross, and then obviously I'll do my formula and say net, itna
Yeah.
in hand aa raha hai unko.
Uh-huh.
Then, and my offer is like with reverse P&L, malab I will say, see how many people are coming and their potential revenue,
okay.
and then I will minus all my cost.
Got it.
And artist fee कितना बचता है,
Yeah.
वो और ये अगर similar है,
Match
थोड़ा
हो रहा है.
आसपास है,
Yeah.
तो I'll put in an offer
Nice.
कि
Okay.
whenever your plans are,
Yeah.
पहले तो या तो they send the inquiry कि we are planning to come,
Yeah.
कुछ होगा क्या?
Hmm.
Then I will do the same exercise
Right.
and I'll say होगा but यही मिलेगा,
Hmm.
this thing. Or if I want the band myself, which the bands I'm chasing, for example,
Yeah.
I'll keep sending the offers, right? कि I can give this much, बोलेगा नहीं bro, like whatever. Then I'll rework it and make
The
it.
moment their intent
Yeah.
changes or
Yeah,
your
yeah,
offer
yeah.
matches what they have, and
Exactly.
then it'll work.
Or sometimes if the intent is very strong,
Yeah.
they also come at like very lower, you know.
Oh, that's awesome.
I mean, not lower, malab, they're not making much money. See, touring is very expensive.
Absolutely.
So I also
Yeah,
understand
yeah.
like
Yeah,
what
it is.
artists, I mean, they have to pay their crew.
Yeah.
I mean, it's common knowledge,
It's a
right?
big
They have to pay
machine,
their
yeah.
crew, they have to pay for their per day DM.
Yeah. Karan told us
exactly.
in detail about this.
So they have to
I can
hire
check it
crew.
out. Yeah.
ठीक है, अब crew will get to, मतलब अच्छा crew चाहिए तो it's more expensive.
Yeah.
Famous sound engineer चाहिए, more expensive, right?
Absolutely.
So they have to fly in.
Yeah.
Then, I mean, it's very costly touring.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
also understand ki, you know, there sometimes band lose money coming to
Hmm.
India, but intent is there.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
fair, na? I'm
Yeah.
not forcing them to come.
Yeah.
मैं बोलो देखो भाई, and we do a lot of bonus models also.
Hmm.
So what bonus
if you
model is,
get
if
more
they sell more tickets,
tickets, right.
then they get a good share of it.
Makes
So it's
sense.
fair, right?
Yeah.
If you want to come to India, I'm not forcing you. You come on this minimum guarantee, मतलब एक flat minimum आपको मिलेगा.
सही
If
है.
you sell 1 ticket, 10 ticket, इतना तो आपको मिलेगा ही.
That's
But
safe,
if you're
right, for
losing
them.
money on it, but it's your call.
Hmm.
We are not forcing you to. You're coming. But if you sell more tickets,
Then you can make it back in, and then
So,
some maybe.
yeah, I mean we understand it's very expensive. So you cannot obviously give a like offer which may be like very
Yeah, obviously too low.
offensive,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Offensive,
so
insulting. नहीं
so
रखना चाहिए
as a
that's-
minimum.
But do you see this changing? Like,
No, see,
because the whole the problem of that we're facing right now is of this cost problem that is there. Do you see it getting better, or rather, I think I should ask you, do you see this whole thing becoming feasible to organize, and then the offers that you bring them, and more people are kind of saying yes and coming in?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah?
It's changing. That's why we're doing so many shows.
Fuck
I mean,
yeah.
and everyone is doing. Obviously, there are here and there where it will go wrong.
Yeah, that's part of
but,
the journey.
yeah, it's part of the journey. But then you use your expertise to minimize that, right?
Nice.
So it is changing, like you say. See, sales. अगर मेरे को like if I'm getting the sales I want for the show to happen,
Yeah.
and every yeah, I mean it just depend on the salesman. Like people are coming out and supporting that act, or how many people are coming out easily. It's doable, and it's happening also.
It was really sad to see Smashing Pumpkins not
Yeah.
make it here.
Yeah.
Man.
So you know the reason, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It was, yeah, but it's sad, but it's the music business after all.
Yeah.
It's
They will. I mean, look, even if they'll not come and play to like 1,000 people, yeah. Smashing won't come.
Yeah, it doesn't
Right.
make sense for
Doesn't make sense.
for
To
them to come
for
here,
anyone.
like, yeah,
for
exactly.
the promoter, for the band. अगर नहीं
Even
हुआ
for
तो
the
नहीं हुआ.
fans,
Yeah.
it'll be like
नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, ठीक है.
नहीं हुआ, ठीक, कोई
That's-
बात नहीं.
Yeah.
Fair
but,
enough, right?
But there are bands who
Yeah.
can bring a lot of like good numbers,
Yeah.
and we are ready to offer whatever they're getting paid outside.
Right.
Sometimes it's ulta also. Some
Ah.
artists can bring. I mean, very rare.
Right.
It's an anomaly. India is an anomaly.
Yeah.
Like some bands are there who are not famous in their home country but famous here.
Yeah.
Some.
Yeah.
Very rare.
There. I know what
Exactly.
you're saying. Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
Getting my point.
I get it. Yeah.
So we are ready. See,
Nice.
it's fair. Like
Yeah.
the how like आप जितना सेल करोगे और जितना आप पुल कर पाओगे उसी हिसाब से ऑफर मिलेगा आपको. That's
सही
it.
है. That's the
अगर आपका हो रहा है इसमें आ जाओ, नहीं हो रहा है तो फाइन.
फिर
हम
बाद में आ
बोनस
जाओ.
भी दे देंगे हम. To
get them the
yes,
yeah.
bonus भी हम लोग
Nice.
like, but I mean it's yeah, I mean it's all business. Yeah, it's all, it has to be fair, it has to be transparent. Now many bands, many management, they ask for like sales report every week, ticket reports, and we share. Like it's all transparent.
Because you guys have the dashboard, the back end, everything.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, we
nice.
I mean, no, even if you're a promoter, you will get the back end from your partner, event ticketing partner. वो आपको मिल जाएगा.
अच्छा.
That you have to anyway, like bands keep these days, all agents and management, they ask for the ticket sales. They will not ask for dashboard and all.
Right. Yeah. But they just need the
need
basic
that,
proof.
Yeah. I mean, they will. They also want to maybe gauge the market and keep looking for like how many sales have happened. And we are very transparent. Nice. We share that report every week.